Hey everybody, it's late November, so it's starting to get a little chilly outside, but I ain't sweating it because when I started shopping for heaters, I immediately went to Vevor and I got the 8 kilowatt diesel heater. Let me show you. Now this heater is running right now and I bet you can barely hear it. It is so quiet, and look at that, 284 degrees coming out of this baby. You can run this on the AC power adapter, or you can plug this in and run it off a battery. You can operate this with the included remote control, or you can use Bluetooth and use your telephone to control all the options. It's fully programmable. You can set it to come on at a certain time, go off at a certain time, stay on for a certain amount of time, or you can have it come on at a certain temperature or turn off at a certain temperature. It has a CO2 monitor, but you can take this off and unplug this, and it comes with a remote CO2 sensor that you can mount in a different location. Now, where I see this being beneficial is for you people that work out of an enclosed trailer. Whether you're a electrician, a plumber, a handyman, a flooring guy, a gutter guy, whatever, you can mount this in the corner or under a bench or under a seat, and it comes with this extension tube that you can just pop on the front, and you can mount the vent any place that you want. All you'd have to do is drill a hole for your exhaust tube to vent this outside, and it comes with the clips to mount it to the sidewall of your trailer. So many of you are probably wondering, how long will it last on only 1 gallon of diesel fuel? Depending on your heat settings, you can get anywhere from 10 hours to 36 hours. So again, this is the ZM8006 diesel heater from Vevor, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of where you can get your own, and I'm also going to put a discount code that you can use for your purchase.